Imagine sitting down to a family dinner, the laughter, the smell of roast beef, and never knowing that somewhere an invisible change has started inside a brain. That's the quiet cruelty behind mad cow disease. Bovine spongiform encephalopathy, or BSE, is caused not by a germ you can see under a microscope, but by a misfolded protein called a prion that builds up in nervous tissue and slowly destroys it. In cows, the brain becomes spongy under the microscope. Animals show behavior changes, trouble walking, weight loss, and it's always fatal. For decades, the disease spread in herds when cattle were fed protein made from other animals, an efficient farming shortcut that accidentally recycled prions back into the food chain. Governments later banned those feed practices and removed high-risk tissues from the food supply to stop it. People can be affected too. When humans eat beef contaminated with the infectious prion, they can develop variant Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, VCJD, a devastating, always fatal brain disease. It often begins with subtle psychiatric symptoms or numbness, then moves into problems with coordination and thinking, and usually leads to death within about a year to a year and a half after symptoms begin. There is no cure. Confirming a case typically requires examination of brain tissue. This felt like science fiction in the 1990s, when the United Kingdom's outbreak led to mass cattle slaughter, trade bans, and a small but tragic number of human deaths. The UK outbreak stands as a warning. Public health, food systems, and farming practices are tangled together,